Y'all already know how this go. I'm making my rounds again. Everybody up. Them kids will be here soon. Yo, what up, Ernie? I can't call it, Tony. How you living? Might sound cliche, but I'm great. That's what's up, baby. Come hop in my habitat later. I want to show you something. All right, baby. I'll be by there later. Now, I'm not going nowhere near that boy habitat. He act like the rest of us can't see he a tiger. I tell you what I will be doing, though. We just got a new family of baboons in, and the mama baboon booty just be out. I mean, that thing be calling me. I'm gonna go see what's up with her. Hey. Oh, hell. Ernie. We need... Tom, we've been over this before. Just because you a turtle don't mean you gotta talk slow. Damn, I know they brought him here on the short bus.